Events, Votes, and Verdicts, The Legacy of Five. This presentation is presented by Kyara Scott. 5 is a numeric symbol of Black history and justice, the wins and losses. From Section 5 of the Voting Rights Act to 5-4 Supreme Court rulings and the tragedy of Central Park 5, the number 5 echoes through key moments in Black history. One number shaped civil rights, exposed injustice, and tied together the fight for Black empowerment across time and courts. First case was Dred Scott v. Stanford. Dred Scott was an enslaved man from Missouri. He lived for years in free territories and sued for his freedom upon returning. He argued that his time in free states made him legally free. However, the Supreme Court ruled that Black people, whether enslaved or free, could not be U.S. citizens and had no right to sue in federal court. This invoked the Fifth Amendment to protect white slaveholders' property rights. Many years after was the Central Park 5, where 5 Black and Latino teens were coerced into false confessions and wrongfully convicted. Years later, DNA evidence and a real confession proved their innocence. Shelby County versus Holder. A 5-4 Supreme Court decision gutted Section 5 of the Voting Rights Act. This removed the requirement for states with histories of discrimination to get federal approval before changing voting laws. Within hours, states passed multiple strict ID laws and closed polling practices in Black communities. 2023, there was Allen v. Milligan, another 5-4 decision, but this time it upheld Black voting power. It solved Alabama's map, diluted Black voices, and violated Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act. Last but not least, the Black Political Empowerment Project versus Smith in 2024 challenged the Pennsylvania law requiring handwritten dates on mail-in ballots. The rule disproportionately disqualified votes in Black communities. The Pennsylvania Supreme Court overturned the rule, supporting ballot access. The 5 lessons from these events: that verdicts, events, or rulings have widespread pain as an effect. It shows that rights are not permanent. The slim majority in Supreme Courts speaks volumes in itself. Studying law is an advantage, and cases that occur in their decisions may be heavily based on or in the context of their current shape of politics. These are the cited works, and thank you for listening.